Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video starts by asking, how to find the IP address of a website? So, let's get started. The creator suggests going to Google and searching for, who is open this website. You then enter the domain name of the site. You want to check, e.g., a website like KGPT website in the demo. After pasting the domain into the lookup tool, it shows the IP address of that website. The tool also displays other data like registrar, important dates, etc. The video wraps up quickly with a call to like the video and ask questions in the comments. The video does not show other method that many IP lookup tutorials use, e.g. DNS lookup tools, ping, or nslookup commands. These are commonly recommended ways to find an IP address too. In real practice, tools like Google's Dig tool, online DNS checkers, and command line utilities can find an IP address easily. The underlying reason these work is the domain name system, DNS. DNS translates human-friendly names, like text domains, into numeric IP addresses behind the scenes. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.